Hello everyone, myself Mithali Machiwal from IIT Guwahati. Welcome to Chemistry Portal. So in today's video we will solve an important PYQ from JEE Advanced 2023 on thermodynamics. So okay, let's start. So in this question given 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes two reversible process A to B and B to C. It is reversible process now, and A to B is your adiabatic process, means adiabatic reversible, adiabatic reversible. Okay, and B to C, in B to C process temperature is constant. Temperature constant means isothermal, so it is your isothermal reversible process. Okay, so from first law of thermodynamic, so first write given data. What is given? Okay, so given data is QAB plus QBC equal to RT2 ln10, and QAB and QBC is equal to total AC na, and we have to find value of 2 log V3. Okay, this we have to find. So from first law of thermodynamic, means FLDD. From FLDD we know, delta U is equal to Q plus W, and delta U means for full process AC, QAC and WAC, and internal energy formula is NCV delta T, and QAC value given RT2 ln10, RT2 ln10, and AC is WAB plus BC, WBC. Okay, so AB is your adiabatic process, AB is adiabatic process, and BC is isothermal. Okay, so AB is adiabatic reversible, and WBC is isothermal reversible. Okay, so for adiabatic process we know work done is equal to W, because Q value is 0 na, so work done equal to delta U. So we can write NCV delta TAC is equal to RT2 ln10, and WAB value is delta U na, equal to delta U for AB process, plus WBC for isothermal reversible isothermal process we know formula minus nRT ln V3 by V2, because your temperature given for isothermal process, given V3 and V2, so nRT ln V3 divided by V2, nRT2 ln V3 divided by V2. Okay, because final volume is V3 and initial volume is V2. So an AC process, for AC process final temperature is T2 and initial temperature is T1, so it will become NCV T2 minus T1. RT2 ln 10, and delta U is NCV delta T. For AB process, final temperature is T2 and initial temperature is T1, and minus nRT2 ln V3 divided by V2. Okay, so this it will cancel out now, because this is same, so it will cancel out, so it will become nR T2 ln V3 divided by V2 equal to RT2 ln 10. Okay, and in question given that n value is 1 mole for 1 mole monatomic gas na, so n value is 1, so RT2 ln V3 divided by V2 is equal to RT2 ln 10. RT2 will cancel out, so it will equal to ln V3 divided by V2 is equal to ln 10, and V3 divided by V2 we can write ln V3 minus ln V2, it is equal to ln 10. Okay, so ln V3 value we have to find na, we have to find log V3, not ln V3, log V3. So first find ln V3 will be equal to ln V2 plus ln 10. Okay, this is equation 1. So but now our task to find the V2 value. So okay, V2 means A to B is your adiabatic process na, reversible adiabatic process. So for reversible adiabatic process, PV gamma equal to constant, but we have to find relation between volume and temperature na. So PV for volume and temperature relation is TV power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. Okay, so this we can write V2 divided by V1 power gamma minus 1, and it is monoatomic gas. So for monoatomic gas, what is gamma value? For monoatomic gas, gamma value is Cp by Cv. Okay, so Cp by Cv value will get 5 by 3 for monoatomic gas. So V2 divided by V1 we can write it is equal to T1 by T2 power 1 upon gamma minus 1. Okay, so V2 value we have to find, so V2 will be equal to T1 upon T2 power 1 upon gamma minus 1, and gamma value is 5 by 3. So V2 is equal to V1 into T1 by T2 power 1 upon gamma minus. So V1 value is 10 and T1 value is in question. See graph. T1 value is 600 Kelvin and T2 value is 60 Kelvin, because at y-axis we have a temperature na. Okay. So T1 value is 600 and T2 value is 60 and gamma value is 5 by 3. Okay, so it will become 10 and 10 power 3 by 2. Okay, 10 power 3 by 2, and power same means power will add na. So 10 power 5 by 2 you will get. So this is your V2 value, but we have to find ln V2. So ln V2 will be equal to ln 10 power 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2 ln 10. So from equation 1, in equation 1 we have to put ln V2 value from equation 1. Equation 1 was ln V3 equal to ln 10 plus ln V2. Okay, so and ln V2 value is given 5 by 2 ln 10. Okay, so if you will add, it will become 7 by 2 ln 10. Okay, but in question they have given we have to find 2 log v3 value. So first make 2 ln v3. So 2 ln v3 will be equal to 7 log ln 10. So how we can change ln into log? 2.303 log base 10 na. So 2 into ln, we can check 2.303 log base 10 v3. It is equal to 7 into 2.303 log base 10 and 10. So 2.303 will cancel out. So 2 log base 10 v3, it will be equal to 7 into log 10. Okay, log base 10 value will be 1. Okay, so it will become 7. So 2 log v3, so 2 log base 10 v3, it will be equal to 7. Here you can write. Why? Because log base 10 value is 1. Okay, so in question they told us to find 2 log v3 value na. So 2 log v3 value we got 7. So this is your final answer. So everyone understood na. So please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos. Okay, all the best.